Oh man! We're getting a massive rainstorm. It almost looks like we're under a flood warning. Blankets of rain are falling everywhere. This is crazy. Man. Oh my god, the wind is just blowing my mind. Just look at it. It was also raining and thundering earlier. What on earth? Car alarm going off. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's even worse than the phone's making it look to be. Holy crap. Oh, torrential downpour. This is an insane rainstorm. I wish you guys could actually see truly how bad it is right now. Holy crap. That's a lot of water. Look at that. This is some of the worst rain I've seen in a long time. This storm practically came out of nowhere. Well, it was pretty thundery the last hour though. I didn't expect it to rain this hard. Oh my god. It even set a car alarm off. Holy crud. Anyways, that's it for this video. I decided to go and show you guys what we're getting right now. I'm sorry. It kind of scared me for a second. See you guys in the next video. This is crazy. Oh my god. I'm gonna go for about 30 more seconds. Man, it is raining so hard right now. Oh my god. If we get a flash flood warning, I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys if we get a flash flood warning. God! I'm gonna go on a little longer. You guys seeing this? I'm gonna be on a little longer because I think it's getting worse. Actually, I'm gonna make a part 2. Hold on.